Quick question for you. Do you ever wish you're a reputation meter? Like in Skyrim or Mass Effect? Because honestly, that's what LinkedIn recommendations actually are. They literally are reputation points for you in real life. And today I'm going to show you how to farm those points correctly and not feel icky about it, why they matter, and how they can literally change your career path. Because at the end of the day, LinkedIn is still the biggest platform for networking in the world. Level 1, setting the stage. So here's the deal. When a recruiter lands on your LinkedIn page, they're scanning for signals. Think of it like a boss scanning your stats before the fight. I know it's a little OP, some bosses do that. When the recruiter's sitting down in the seat using LinkedIn Recruiter, they're asking themselves a few things. Does this person look legit? Do they have proof? Do others vouch for them? That's where recommendations come in. They're basically your guild members saying, yeah, I rated with this person and they're OP in X areas. Without those, you look like a solo player with no party. You can't go lone wolf on the job hunt. It's a team effort kind of thing. And in this case, that isn't a good thing when you're on the job hunt. With them, you look like a MVP everyone wants on their team. So people hire people they trust. So open your LinkedIn profile and reach out to your connections and add value to them first. Level 2, why recommendations matter. Reputation points equals access. Now you know what recruiters think about when they line onto your LinkedIn profile. Keep in mind that recommendations don't always get you the job just instantly, but they open doors for you. You build your network more. Just like having a high reputation in Fallout or Oblivion Remaster unlocks new dialogue options, this will unlock doors for you in your career. Recruiters and hiring managers literally use them as tiebreakers in some cases. I'm a recruiter, and I can remember a few times where two candidates with the same skills applied and a hiring manager interviewed both of them. But the person with the glowing recommendations won the fight in the end. Think of it as a social proof, like game reviews, but you're the game being reviewed in this case. Hopefully it doesn't have too much water. And don't just take it from me. I've been on the recruiter side for like about 7 years right now in my career. I've seen that great recommendations tips the scales when it comes to the last interviews and picking a person for the role. Level 3. How to actually get recommendations, the farming system. You're starting to see how important recommendations can be when you're on the job hunt and in your career. So how do you farm these reputation points without being weird and feeling icky about it? Don't call DM. That's like asking a stranger for loot. It doesn't work that way. Instead, start with people you quested with past. Just think back. Managers, teammates, mentors, professors if you're just starting out in college. Step 2, make it mutual. You give one, you often get back one. Think of it like trading Pokemon. You give and you get. Step 3, be specific when you ask. Don't just say, hey, can you give me a recommendation? Say this instead. Hey, can you highlight the project that we worked on together? That way they know what loot to drop on your LinkedIn profile. Step 4, keep it short and authentic. The best recommendations are like boss fight recaps or clutching in Gears of War. Quick to the point, and you show off how to pull those clutch moves in the end. And use this cheat code when you want to get recommendations on LinkedIn. It's real easy. Give plus give plus give plus ask equals leveling up for everyone. Level 4, levels of recommendations. Not all loot are equal. Getting recommendations is great, but keep in mind that not all carry the same weight. If an entry-level coworker is giving you one, that's like a green item drop. It's good, but it's just basic. Manager or director, now that's epic loot. That's the purple tier. Executive or a client of yours. That's orange legendary loot. Frame that thing if you could do that. When you're thinking about farming reputation points, you want a mix of loot drops. A few green, some purple, 1 or 2 legendaries, and boom. Suddenly, your LinkedIn profile looks stacked. Here's some of my LinkedIn recommendations. Shout out to everyone that sent me a recommendation as well. I'm so glad I was able to add value to you in your career or life in some way. Level 5, advanced strategies. Meta builds. Here's where you go from casual player to pro player when it comes to gaining recommendations. Stack your recommendations to match the job you're hunting for, to match your career. If you're applying to marketing, highlight recommendations that call out your creativity, your campaign success, or your strategy skills. If you're going for a project manager, pull in recommendations that talk about your leadership, organization, and delivering results. It's like respecing your build in Dark Souls. You align your buffs to the next boss fight like your resume. When you do these things and a recruiter sees your alignment on your profile, instant credibility. So here's a quest that you could take today. Open up your LinkedIn profile, make a list of 3 to 5 people you could generally ask for recommendations. I'm talking about people you actually work with in your career and add value to in some way, shape, or form. Write them a quick, authentic message and catch up with them like you're talking to one of your friends on Discord, and make it about shared wins, not favors. Remember, add value first. Start framing your reputation points now, because when the next boss fight comes, a job interview shows up, you're going to want XP boosts for the battle ahead. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button so I know to keep making more career as a game guides like this one for you. Now that you know the power of recommendations, you're going to want to level up your interview skill points as well when you land that interview boss fight. So check out this playlist going over just that. And as always, I'll see you in the next level later.